Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Here is a 1990s Galaxy 12-inch oscillating table fan. I got this fan for Christmas a couple of years ago, and it's all I did to it was I cleaned it up, serviced it. This is a 2150 model, if you're wondering. Hang on, I've got to go grab something. I'll be back. I'm back. Uh, Here is the fan. Let's get into the video. So here we go. Here's the left side view. Here's the right side. Here's the back. Here it is again. Let's plug this in. Have the Variac over there. So let me go ahead and plug this in. All right, the fan is plugged in. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Here's low speed. Medium. Hang on. We are drawing 0.475 amps on low. That's pretty under spec for a fan like this. .475. Here's medium. .57 amps. Let's go to high on this one. We are at 0.69 amps. Let's go to oscillation. I haven't run this thing in a while, and so yeah. So it'll take it a little bit to warm up since I haven't run it. 0.69 amps. This thing is running a little over spec, I would think. I hope it's not running way too hot. I hope it's not running super hot. I just turned it on. Let's go to medium. Let's go to low speed. Well, 0.5 amps on medium. We'll go to low. Very quiet on low speed. 0.4 amps. 0.456 amps. I mean, I bet you can't even hear it. I bet you can't even hear the fan since it's so quiet. This has a little bit of a motor whine to it, which you can't hear. Anyway, let's, I guess, do a spin down. Or I can turn the oscillator off and do a spin down. All right. Hang on. I forgot to show the model number of the fan, so let me go do that real quick. You know, I don't even know what I was going to do except turn the oscillator off. Hang on. I don't even know what I was going to do, but... Oh, show the model number. Finally came back to me. Here's the model. Or it's a 2150. I don't know what all these numbers mean. The 12-1 style, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 0.65 amps. UL listed 154C, whatever that is. Anyway, like, share, comment, and subscribe to Vintage Fan Collector 1939.